we have Ruto administration. We have Kenya Kwanza administration. Mheshimiwa, where you are. When you can agree on another thing, but when it comes to defense of this administration, there is a problem. We can agree there is a problem. Cost of living ya hawa watu wako wanaongoza ni ngumu. Taxes iko kule juu. National government is implementing a social health care system that we have tried to look even in America where we have 50 states. La Kenya hapa, it is costing 104 billion Kenya shillings. When we did a research, that is a program that can be resourced within a budget of not more than 400 million. Now, who is pocketing almost 103 billion? Which business does the national government ask to do what is counties? Health is devolved. Na mheshimiwa, you are the one tumekutuma bunge. Na usemi haya mambo, please. Siasa kando sasa, tuseme ukweli, pesa asia bigoke ububa hapa ipando kapinde mitukano nunge watinze. Mheshimiwa, wewe ni rafiki yangu kabisa. Ni rafiki at personal level, we are friends. We cannot have that kind of a scandal which is choreographed just to loot from Kenyans. Let's haya mambo tuangalie, because that money, if it went to healthcare, hiyo that one system, hiyo 103 billion ikatolewa na ipatiwe healthcare, ile shida tuko nayo hapa Machakos ya madawa, the even shortage of staff wa healthcare atungekuwa nayo. Na tukikuja hapa tunataka kudanganya hawa wananchi. Tunataka kuambia gavana wengine afanye kazi hapo alert hii na ndo mtavya mbeza ndo wewe. Let's be very candid to one another.
I am not supporting abduction whatsoever. I am not supporting abduction. Please let us stop abduction. Let's stop abducting our children. Expect to be, when you rattle a snake, expect to be beaten. Kwa Sena Sito, Gen Z, please, tafadhali, let's have respect to the elderly and the elder people and the people in power. Mwenye museo